Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap. So I started out the morning with a Facebook trade. It popped up first thing in the morning and then put up this engulfing 5 minute candle. And on the pullback with the 5 minute candle and on the 1 minute, it was losing these moving averages. I went short, and my first profit target was this 100 moving average on the 1 minute. And then the 50 moving average on the 5 minute. And then I didn't really like this candle, so when it made a new high on the from the body of the 5 minute candle, and it put up this hammer candle on the 1 minute, I exited quite a bit of my position, and then I was stopped out at break even. And then I tried a pretty messy ABT trade. I mean, I didn't love it because of the volume that was going on right here with this double bottom. It was putting up a nice pattern, but I knew when I was about to take this trade, the volume wasn't there, and I really probably shouldn't have gotten into this trade, and that hesitation I think affected the way I traded this. But it did a double bottom right here, and then when it made a new 5 minute high, and it broke through this 9 and 20, I went long, and my first profit, or my first partial, was at this 9 moving average on the 5 minute, and then it came back and stopped me out at break even, and I entered again when it came up and then came back down and couldn't make a new low. After this huge wicked candle on the 5 minute, when it made a new high and it was looking kind of like an ABCD pattern on the 1 minute, I went long and then took a very quick partial and then stopped out. I was not feeling the way this was trading. It, like I said, originally the volume wasn't there. I was, at this point, I was just looking for something to trade. And then last but not least, NCLH, it kind of did it topped out right here on the 1 minute right here. And then I noticed that this 15-minute candle had a very wick wick, and when it made a new low on the 15-minute, it also was losing this 9 and 20 moving average on the 1 minute. It was making new 5-minute lows, and this 15-minute is really what encouraged me to get in this short. I took it short here. My stop loss was above these moving averages on the 1 minute, and my first partial was at the 50 moving average on the 1 minute, excuse me. And then my next was the 100 moving average on the 1 minute. And then this was really just, the level 2 looked really weak, and there were a lot of bids for 1750, and I really just wanted to get a little partial in there. And then I ultimately took most of my shares off at the View app. It pulled back and came back and tested the View app again, and when it did, and it started making new highs, it made a new 15-minute high, new 5-minute high. I went ahead and exited the rest of my position. I hope you all had a great Friday, and you guys have a good weekend, and I'll see you Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye.